Hey there, tired of digging through endless cloud logs? Let's fix that today. Tracking AWS services across your organization can be challenging, with multiple users, resources, and countless events happening every day. From security incidents to performance issues or system errors, it's easy to feel lost in the data. Cloudshot simplifies this by transforming complex, raw event data into clear, actionable reports, with intuitive dashboards and filters, helping you save time and focus on what matters. Now, let's take a look at the AWS CloudTrail console. It provides basic event information, timestamps, event names, users, and sources. But here's the real question. How do you spot critical events and analyze security trends without spending hours in the logs? That's where Cloudshot AWS Event Report comes in. It goes beyond logs to reveal the story behind your cloud activities, helping you spot issues and optimize security in real time. Let's get started. First, click on the Cloudshot menu, and from there select AWS Event Report to see your detailed dashboard with instant insights into cloud events and activities. Right now, we have two main event types available, EC2 and RDS events. But guess what? We're actually working on adding more services like EKS, VPC, Lambda, and many more to make this even more comprehensive for you all. For this demo, we'll focus on EC2 events, and we'll set the time frame to this month. Then, simply click the search button. Now, here's where it gets really useful. See these three drop-downs? They're super handy. You can pick specific resources you want to monitor, or you can filter event types, like instance starts, stops, or runs, and even track activities by specific users. Now, let's take a closer look at these numbers. We have 91 total events here. These represent every single action or operation performed on our EC2 instances. Next, we have 13 active resources here. This means that we have performed actions on 13 EC2 instances in our environment. Looking at our user activity, it means 9 unique users have been working with these instances. Notice that success rate of 76.92%. This tells us how many EC2 operations are completed successfully. Pretty cool, right? You get the whole picture of your EC2 activity without digging through logs. Let's look at the donut chart. It breaks down your EC2 operations: start, stop, create, reboot, and terminate, showing you the most common actions in our environment. Our timeline graph reveals your activity patterns, peaking at 16 events during busy periods. The resource activity chart shows your most active instances, with Ray leading at 51 events. Finally, the user activity chart. It tracks who's doing what across your system, helping you monitor access patterns. Now, let's explore the event details within Cloudshot. Right here in our view at 10:11 a.m. today, we had 2 interesting start instance attempts for our RAID instance. While they showed as failed operations, this actually demonstrates one of Cloudshot's key strengths: real-time issue detection. What's great here is how the system immediately provided us with clear error messaging, insufficient instance capacity. Based on this data, we can take quick actions like switch to a different instance type, or we can try another availability zone. You can also see the specific instance or user's details. So, now let's try the terminate instance details for user Shubham. Here we can see Shubham has terminated the 8 instances for this month. From these, 2 instances failed during termination because we have enabled termination protection on our AWS EC2 instances, which is why Shubham was not able to terminate those instances. And that's it. With Cloudshot AWS Event Report, you gain complete control over your cloud operations. If an instance behaves unusually or an operation fails, you can quickly identify the issue and address it before it disrupts your workflow.